Hi Jellyfish friends. Get your pillow, we're gonna read a book. You guys ready? This book name is My Dog Talks by Jill Herman. That's it. I have a new dog. My dog can talk. His name is Sam. Hello, Sam. Woof. That means hello. Sam is a smart dog. I tell him to sit, he sits. I tell him to roll over, and he rolls over. I tell him to do my homework. He rolls over. Sam is not that smart, but we are pals. He knows what I am saying, and he knows what he's saying too. Woof, say Sam. That means let's go for a walk. We walk up and down the block. We walk around the park. We meet big dogs and little dogs, long dogs and short dogs. We meet dogs with ears up. We meet dogs with ears down. But no dog is like my dog. Hills, I said. Woof, say Sam. That means sure things. Woof, woof, he say next. Oh no, that means let's get wet. Then Sam say, woof. Uh-oh, that means let's run in circles and get dizzy. Woof, woof, woof. Uh-oh, that means let's jump into the sandbox. Woof. Uh-oh, that means let's make friends with this big mean dog. Woof, I said. Oh no, what I'm saying? I guess I'm saying stop right there. Sam stopped. He looked at me. He won his tail. He heeled. See? Sam and I were pals. I know what he's saying, and he knows what I'm saying too. Woof, say Sam. That means I'm ready to go home. Do you know what? So I am. Thank you, Jellyfish. I hope you enjoyed the book. And tell me, do you guys have a dog at home? Do you guys have a pet at home that you can play with? Tell me. I hope you like the book. Enjoy.